Hey, I'm Dr. Andy. What we're doing today is we are demoing dry needling for the arm and wrist. Typically this is best done for someone with something called tennis elbow. Tennis elbow is when we have a lot of pain right here on the lateral or the outside aspect of the elbow. Obviously it's not just for tennis players. It's a overuse injury of what are called your wrist extensors. Extending is going in this direction. So if you're working at a keyboard and you're like this, well then you're more, or at least as likely to develop tennis elbow as a tennis player. So because the muscle actually runs all the way from the elbow down through the wrist into the hand, we're actually doing along that whole pathway. We start at the elbow, go through the muscle belly at the center of the forearm, and through the wrist and the hand, okay? We start at the elbow. That's the origin of the muscles. And it's on the outside of the muscle. You ready? Mm-hmm. Good. Perfect. Start on the outside, and then you move into the big muscle bellies. All right? So down here, you're going to feel that it's typically very tender on someone with an overuse injury of the wrist flexors. So right through the muscle belly. Just feels like a tiny little pinch. And one more. That was easy. How's that feel, Miss Christina? Good. Perfect. We only do a few more. We have one right here in the thumb pad. Now you also talked a lot of acupuncture, so anyone that does dry needling, it's probably the most important acupuncture point on the entire body. It does so much. So right here right in that pad. Perfect. There we are. Dry needling works by activating your mechanoreceptors. Mechanoreceptors are fancy nerves that sense touch, and they're actually more powerful than your pain-sensing nerve fibers. So if you activate those mechanoreceptors, it overrides your pain. It's actually no different from after you stub your toe, you rub your toe, and it actually makes it feel a whole lot better. You're canceling out the pain signals. So the needles actually do the exact same thing, as well as release your natural opioids up in your brain to cancel out pain as well. If you have any questions, post them below. Please tag a friend. Thank you guys so very much. And remember to live with passion, not pain.